Kind of a rainy, sad, cloudy, where's the sun type of day, and I'm gone hungry. Again, rainy days are a great time to do some research. So I went to the bookstore to find out about what the latest trends are in cooking. Slow cooking, sous vide, Dutch ovens, crock pots, fix it and forget it. That's all our style. Went to the magazine rack to hear what the latest trends are in health, in wellness, in permaculture, in farmsteading, off-the-grid living and survival, science, outside exploration, travel. You name it, there's some reason that GoSun would apply. Next, I went off to the gear store to see what the latest trends are with these fantastic lithium-ion batteries, powering LED lights, little solar panels to help illuminate the world. Power banks and green technology can be found just about anywhere now. I went to the old stove section and remembered the good days that I used to carry around all kinds of fuel back when I was camping and backpacking. All those little canisters of butane, propane, and white gas. The sun wasn't helping me get any cooking done, so I went and found a lucky cat. I think we found some chicken feed. Look at these cute little hens, crushing it. It's the best I can do for the day. Okay, it's a super gray day here in Ohio. It's rained a bunch today, but I went ahead and put out some veggie chili in the GoSun Sport, and I'm gonna see if I've got a warm dinner. As you probably know, warm food is a lot better than cold, and I'm pretty hungry. So, oh yeah, I've got a warm meal thanks to the GoSun Sport on a cloudy, rainy day. So much better when it's warm.